Man, that shit crazy, man. See,
I don't know about homeboy. See, that's why I don't be messing with drugs. Come on, let's get up out of here, man.
Let's roll.
Not yet.
Who's that? What? What? Why me?
Yo, bro, where are you at, man? I'm sitting here watching TV, man. You all over the news. Man, tell me this not true, dog. Like, for real, man. Bro, I hope you didn't do what I think that you did. Bro, where are you, man? Look, come to my crib, bro.
Wait,
Come over here. We gonna talk about it.
what you mean, man? What you mean, man? How can I trust you, man?
I'm the only person that you can trust right now. You feel me? Out of that, I trust them boys and they go damn lock you up.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Why me?
Man, so what about homeboy? Homeboy was bugging us.
Man, he was tripping, bro. He was tripping like a motherfucker.
Homeboy was straight tripping.
That's some
He was
crazy
flipping
shit.
out on something.
Yeah, that shit was crazy.
He definitely was on something.
Oh yeah, that shit wasn't normal. That shit was crazy.
Yeah.
But what's up with this music though, man? We gonna shoot the video?
Come on, let's do it.
All right, let's go.
This is the archetypal rock sound.
This is for the ballers, not the haters. Get your hands up if you about getting paper. Niggas think I'm bluffing when they come to get this paper. It's nothing. Nigga, it's nothing. When it come to getting this paper, it's nothing. Nigga, it's nothing. When it come to getting this paper, it's nothing. Just like the sun, you can't stop my shine. I'ma give the world a shock like Dr. Frankenstein. I spit gas, better run fast. I'm in it for the cash. Fuck a autograph, nigga. Show me the money. Show me a snow bunny. The music is addictive, so buy my dope from me. I'm unstoppable. Anything is possible. Holla at me later, your boy. Get lots of dough. This is for the ballers, not the haters. Get your hands up if you about getting paper. Niggas think I'm bluffing when they come to get this paper. It's nothing. Nigga, it's nothing. When it come to getting this paper, it's nothing. Nigga, it's nothing. When it come to getting this paper, it's nothing. My mind on my money and my money on my mind. I'm the greatest MC like Ali in his prime. Step your bars up, but don't step out of line. These suckers ain't got a chance, niggas running out of time. I make women stop on a dime, then pick it back up, then put it on my mind. Why? Cause I keep money on my mind. I'm good with math numbers like Albert Einstein, Just stepped out the black guys. Maserati sitting tight, cleaning my garage. Pull up to the spot with an ice cream paint job. Put your hands up like a Wild West bank ride. I keep my mind on my money. I keep my money on my mind. I keep my mind on my money. I keep my money on my mind. This is for the ballers, not the haters. Get your hands up if you about getting paper. Niggas think I'm bluffing. When they come to get this paper, it's nothing.